What is going on YouTube? Welcome to another video on in our Java tutorial series, and today I'm gonna be teaching you guys about the math operations we have in Java. Now these what I'm gonna be teaching you guys today are gonna be the core math operations. So we have the addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and lastly, something you guys might have not seen before, the modulus. Now, well, I'm going to get into details, but this is what we're going to be working on today, so keep a lookout for this. Now, the first thing I'm going to do is declare a couple of variables. Int x, let's say equals 10, int y equals 5. Now, what I want to do is demonstrate the add functionality. So I'm going to go ahead and put in x plus y. I'm going to run that. And we should get the value of 15 if everything goes right. There we go, 15. Now I'm going to go on ahead and work on the subtraction. Now I'm going through these a little quicker because I'm pretty sure most of us are really familiar with addition, subtraction, and all that good stuff. So now the next thing I'm going to go ahead and show us is the multiplication. So that is how we would represent multiplication. Now as we see in the console here, we get the answer of 50, which is exactly what we want. Now onto the division. This one is a little tricky, but I'm going to go ahead and print this out. We have 10 divided by 5. We get the answer we want, which is 2, and that is perfect. However, what if we change the variables a little bit? So let me change the numbers to something smaller. Let's say 3 divided by 2. Correct. So let's see. We have 3 divided by 2. What do we expect to see here? Well, we expect to see the value of 1.5. However, what we get in our console is just the value 1. Now, why is that? Alright, so in Java, when you do integer by integer division, which is what we have here, 3 divided by 2, and we know the answer is 1.5. However, when we do, as I've mentioned before, integer by integer division, Java drops everything after the decimal point. So it doesn't round it, it doesn't do anything. It literally just drops everything after that value. So if you wanted to if you wanted to get the exact answer, what you would have to do is actually change this to a double, and let's run that. And now since we are doing an integer divided by a double, we get this value right here, the precise value. So one thing I want you to take away from what I've said is basically when you do integer by integer division, don't expect any decimals. Don't expect any rounding and any of that sort. It just drops everything after the decimal. If you are looking for precision, you have to divide it by a number with a decimal point, a double, float, something of that nature. Now, the last thing I want to show you guys, let's see, let me change this back, is the modulus sign. Now, what modulus does is it returns the value of the remainder. So in our case, we have 3 modulus 2. Now, this, let's see, when we run this, is going to give us the value of 1. Now, why is that? Because 2 can only go into 3 one time with a remainder of 1. So that's all I have for you guys today. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you guys did like it, please don't forget to like this video, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next video.